In South Africa, a new Zulu king has been crowned at an historic event attended by tens of thousands of people. King MisuZulu KaZwelithini received a certificate of recognition from President Cyril Ramaphosa. It marked the first Zulu coronation since South Africa became a democracy in 1994. Our correspondent Amazwi has this report.
Zulu warriors saluting King MisuZulu KaZwelithini after taking his oath. The accreditation certificate, handed over by President Cyril Ramaphosa, endorses the 48-year-old as the 9th leader of the Zulu nation. King MisuZulu acknowledged that he had come to the throne at a difficult time.
I understand that history has chosen me at this time when the Zulu and other nations are facing several challenges. Among the challenges are poverty, unemployment, a trust deficit in government and traditional leadership structures, climate change, disasters, economic meltdown, food insecurity, famine, disease, that do not only ravage our people but also our economies.
President Ramaphosa hailed the watershed event and emphasized the role that the king would play in binding together the Zulu nation. The coronation took place despite rifts within the Zulu royal family. Some of its members believe he's not the rightful heir to the throne. Those divisions have played out in public and in courtrooms. However, Prince uBambindlovu Zulu, the brother of the new king, believes his late parents, Queen Manfombi Dlamini Zulu and King Goodwill Zwelithini, would have been proud of this moment.
The king and queen were people that wanted unity. So with what's happening right now, it's very pleasing to them because all they want is unity.
While many have gathered to celebrate with the new king, all eyes will be on him as he begins his reign. He doesn't have political power, but he does have influence on the 11 million strong Zulu ethnic group. He's also expected to help in tackling some of South Africa's social problems, including drug abuse and gender-based violence. Nomsamasego, BBC News, Durban.